Hey everybody. One day you might find yourself in a position to where you actually lose the ribbon on the top of Excel. No need to panic. This actually happened to my supervisor this past week. And so she said, Nicole, how do we fix this? Very simple. All you have to do is go to the top of the page or your worksheet, click twice, and then you should see this ribbon drop down. So just seeing the ribbon doesn't mean that it's going to stay there. What you need to do is to find the ribbon display options, click on it, and choose the one that says show tabs and commands, and then it will permanently stay. Now, if you don't want these commands, so this is this portion right here, you just want the tabs, you can also go back and click on show tabs, and then it will just show you the tabs. I much prefer to have my commands showing, so that's how you do it. Listen, have a great day. Please come back and watch some other videos that I may have, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.